guys. All right, we're gonna sit down for today's haul. All right, so we got Roxy sniffing the box. It's this new thing that we do whenever I get a package delivered. She gets to smell the box and she loves it. It's a thing. And it's so funny because once we made it a habit, it's like she knows that I know that she's supposed to sniff it. It's really cute. Okay, so this package is from Nordstrom's, and I did purchase stuff from the Nordstrom's Anniversary sale. I am a card holder, so I was able to shop the sale before, whatever. And actually these jeans, which, I don't know, they just have like the hole there. These jeans were $30. So I really like them. Yeah, and because originally this package was, I ordered like 2 tops, a pair of boots, and jeans, but the jeans I ordered were not in stock, unfortunately, so they canceled the jeans. And so then I went back on Nordstrom's because I still wanted a pair of jeans, and I got these. So, all right, I'm so excited. Okay, the first thing is this top, and because I'm not doing a try on, maybe I'll insert the pictures of the model so you guys can just kind of see what it looks like on. But can we talk about this rust? Ooh, who just got all cozy feelings for fall? I'm so ready to be wearing this stuff, but at the same time, I'm still loving summertime. But it's gorgeous. It has this like fold over, so it's just beautiful. And then it's like a mock neck. Is that what they call this? It's not a turtleneck, but I don't know what they call this neck style. And it's just, and it has like a scooped bottom, if you can kind of see. It's beautiful. I love it already. And I think I got this in a medium. It was a medium. I think it was originally $69. I don't know what I paid for it, but maybe I'll insert the price as well for you. It really comes down to how tired I am during editing. All right, the next one is also another sweater. And oh my, it is like a fuzzy, creamy dreamsicle. Wow, it is a really thick, chunky, like turtleneck. I love it. It's just super soft. And I just want to live basically in sweaters and jeans this fall. So I got that. It's gorgeous. And then the last thing, again, I was supposed to have jeans, but I got these instead, which came in a separate order. That's why it wasn't in this box. It ended up coming before all this. And I wanted to buy hunter boots last year during the anniversary sale, but they were sold out. And so I was really bummed, and I just couldn't get myself to pay like full price for it. And when this anniversary sale came up and they were on sale, and I was like, okay, I'm going for it. The only thing is that I didn't want the shiny boots. I wanted like a matte black, and I don't think these are matte black, but I'm super excited. I don't normally buy myself expensive things like this. Yeah, they're more of a gray. They're like a charcoal. Oh my goodness. Wow, that smells like factory. Whoa, it smells like paint thinner, actually. They're beautiful. Yeah, but this was the, you know, honestly, I didn't go through all of the hunter boots. I felt like I was rushing because I was just worried things were gonna like sell out. And so I was just trying to put in my cart and like hurry and check out. And so this is what came up besides the shiny pair that I knew I didn't want. So these are really nice. And there is the black detail here, and yeah, But yeah, they're beautiful. Again, I kind of wanted a matte black, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up keeping these. All right, now I'm gonna take my candle out. I think I showed this in a clip somewhere, but it is the Vanilla Brulee and Almond. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. So I'm gonna go ahead and light this up and recycle this paper. This is my daughter's candle. This. Oh, there's dog hair everywhere. And I'm feeling a little bit better. I keep having like these headaches on and off, and I'm guessing it's from this. I used the power tool, or that dog dryer thing, on Loxy, and I can't tell you how much hair came off of this dog, and it wouldn't stop. So, and I sat there for a good 10 to 15 minutes, and that's a long time if you think about it, sitting there and just blow drying your dog's coat. Yeah, I would recommend doing that when the wind is either blowing consistently in one direction or not blowing at all, because it was kind of like blowing in circles, so it started getting in my eyes. And but I have to say, at least the amount of hair that came off of her is not going to be in my house. So that's always a good thing. And it seems like she wants to go back outside. So I'll try to show you guys some of it, because it's in my grass. Now that you want to see dog hair. Alright, I don't know if you can see, like, look at all of this. And this isn't even a quarter of the hair, and it is just everywhere over here. It's kind of all over the place. And then in this direction, it's not as visible, but you can just kind of see it's all embedded in the grass, which desperately needs a haircut. But I can't sweat or can't work out because of my mouth surgery thing. Probably tomorrow I think I'll be fine. But just a Texas summer. For those of you wondering what that looks like, which just I imagine looks like anywhere else. The question is, how hot is it? But yeah. And here's the tool. So I didn't even take the tag off. But this thing was really awesome. You can change like the airflow, like not that much air and a lot of air. Girl, I cranked it. Like I was like, pew! Or did I? Huh, I really don't know. I'm kind of confused. Anyway, then it has a heater, but they advise, obviously, like if you're inside the house or outside and it's a certain like 50 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's like 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and I guess below, then you would want to turn this heater on, but I don't do Fahrenheit, I do degrees, whatever that translates into. But I didn't use the heater, and Loxy actually loved it. It's not that loud either, and it comes with a bunch of little attachments. I just kind of used this one, and yeah, I'm really impressed with this thing. Not much going on in the house. Watching Southern Charm. I'm on season 2. There's a lot of drama going on with Catherine, Thomas, blah, blah, blah. These are sheets that were washed. My daughter needs to take them upstairs and make her bed. I'm going to see my niece tomorrow. So I've got her stuff in this bag that was in my vacation haul. So if you haven't seen that video, it's on my main channel. And I shared all the things that I got on vacation. Plus I added the Dollar Tree bows in one of my recent hauls. And then these Dollar Tree books that I got her. So I can't wait to see her tomorrow. And let's go check on Loxy. See what she's doing. Here you are.